Hello everyone, Habib here. Welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to share a simple script with you. If you want to make a simple HTML5 based jigsaw puzzle game, then you can use my script. This simple puzzle game is made using PhaserJS library, and let me show you how to complete the puzzle. It is very easy. Just do it this way, and I will show you how to make your own puzzle with your own image. This is the last piece and done. Okay, and this is the link of my script in GitHub page. I will share the link in the description of this video, and you just need to download it to your local host directory. In this case, this is my path in my computer. This is the HTML file that is running here. You can see it here, and the rest of files are, I have this Photoshop template for the puzzle image, and this is a folder containing the puzzle pieces. By default we have this folder with colored puzzle pieces, and now I'm going to introduce you how to I'm going to make an instruction if you want to use your own image as the puzzle based image. I will find an image, for example cow image free. Let's say this one. Let's download it somewhere, for example here, cow image, and then edit this image, the Photoshop file. Open and edit the Photoshop file. Let me get rid of these lines. Alright, we have it here. We have this file open, Photoshop. Bring the cow image here to the Photoshop like this. Scale it this way to fulfill the entire canvas. Alright, now the next step is to extract each pieces of the image. I will enable this background layer. Click it to enable it. Go to this magic wand tool, then this way. Sorry guys, not this one but this layer. Yeah, never mind, you don't have to use this magic wand tool. Just click this layer. We have these layers, right? We have these 9 layers. They are puzzle pieces based on this background image, and what we are going to do now is to select this layer for the first piece. Click press Ctrl and click this area, and then click this cow image, copy, and then press Ctrl C to copy, and then create new file, Ctrl N, and just press enter, because the size of the document is matching the area that we have copied earlier. Click OK, Here you press Ctrl V. Now we are going to save this image as our first puzzle piece. I will create a new folder here. Inside this directory I will call it cal. Enter the folder, and here I will name the first file as P. You need to match the naming format like this: P0, P1, P2, and so on. I will start with the P0. Set the image format as PNG and save. Then you continue with the rest. Make it active, this layer, and then just press Ctrl and click this second layer, and then click copy, Ctrl N, new document, enter, paste. Disable the background, Ctrl Shift S to save as PNG. This is the second image, P1, and just continue until you have the rest of pieces. Total 9 pieces. I will do my thing and pause the video. I will continue recording when I'm done. Okay guys, I'm done with the extraction. I have 9 pieces of puzzle pieces, starting from P0, P1, P2 until P8. Now go back to the puzzle directory here, edit this index.html5. Here we have a variable puzzle bg folder, bg colors. These colors, you need to change it to the name of the puzzle pieces that you want to use. In this case, cow. Name it cow here, and then just refresh the page. Tada, we have the cow puzzle here. I'm going to solve this puzzle. Here, this one here, and now this is the last one. We will see the island. Good job. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you can use it for your own project. Thank you for watching, and if you want to support me, just subscribe to this channel, or you can make some donation to my PayPal account and so on. Bye bye. Thank you. Bye bye. So see you next time.